Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we'll see the types of handovers which happen in the GSM. So there are basically four different types of handoffs or handover which happens in the GSM. Now before that we already saw the different handoff strategies. So there are two different terms like handoff and handover which is mostly used. So these two terms are just one and the same, but the context where these two are used are at different places. So handoff is mostly used in places like Europe, and handover is a term which is mostly used in North America and some other American regions. So that is just the difference between these two terms. Basically handoff and handover both are just one and the same. So in this video, let's understand or let's see what are the different types of handovers which are there in GSM system. So basically to consider with, we have a scenario where we have five different cells or five different regions, in fact we can say. So each region has got its own base stations, that is BTS, and then each of these regions or each of these cells are divided into three different sectors, or means you have different frequency slots or channels. So each of these cells is divided into F1, F2 and F3 slots. So it's just the division of different frequency slots. Now assume that there is one base station, that is BSC1, which is just connected to these two regions or these two cells, and another base station controller BSC is connected to these two BTS, and there is another BSC that is solely for the last one, that is of this cell, and each of these two BSCs are connected to one MSC, and this is connected to MSC2. Now assume that there is a vehicle or a car which is moving from one region to one cell, or from one base station to another base station. Now in this scenario, what basically happens is like, when in a case like if you want to change the frequency or any slot, like for example if in F1 that particular user is using the mobile carrier or PLMN of Airtel, and if that network coverage or if that signal coverage is not proper, then he may change it to another frequency, for example say F2 or either F3. So that may be of an AT&T or even Idea kind of mobile network coverage. So those type of frequency change or channel allotment happens due to the interference which is caused due to the neighboring cells, or if there are two different mobile stations, or if there are two different mobile subscribers within that particular frequency slot, and if one mobile station is causing an interference to another one, then in that case what happens is a change of frequency or slot is done. So this type of handover which happens within this particular BTS is called as Intra-BTS handover. So in Inter-BTS handover, change of frequency happens due to interference caused due to neighboring signals. Now when this car moves ahead and it moves from one base station to another base station, what happens is his environment changes, all the network coverage changes, and so he will be in a different new area. So at this time what happens is, you can see the base station changes here, but these two base stations belong to one particular BSC, and in turn it belongs to one MSC. So in this case where you have different BTS but have the same BSC and same MSC, it's called as the Intra-BSC handover. Next, when he moves ahead, and if he moves from this base station to this third base station, and in this case what happens is the base station changes, the BSCs also changes, but it remains to the similar or the same MSC. In this case what happens is there is an Inter-BSC handover that takes place between these two cells, that is the second cell and the third cell. Now this similar fashion, like if we move from this place to this place, it's the Intra-BSC Intra-BTS handover that happens between these two. Whereas in this case if we move from this cell 4 to cell 5, that is from this BTS to this BTS, the BTS changes, and if you see the BSC also changes, but also the MSC is also different. This BTS belongs to this MSC and this BTS belongs to this MSC. So in a case where these two BTS changes, also the BSC also changes and the MSC also changes, and it is called as an Inter-MSC handover. So these are the different types of handover which are mostly seen in GSM networks. So there are also other handovers called as hard and soft handover that we'll see in our successive video. So well, that was all regarding the different types of handovers or handoff which are there in GSM systems. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you are educated watching this video, please do like, share, comment, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching this video.